Welcome to this video tutorial on how to enrol into the Diploma of Sustainable Living at the University of Tasmania. In this session, we'll cover your course structure, how to access your student portal, complete a HEX help form, and enrol into your units of study. Feel free to pause this video at any time and use it as a guide with the enrolment process. The Diploma's curriculum is structured around 4 specialisations: Environment, Ecology and Planet, Resource Use and Design for Living, Wellbeing and Health to Promote Sustainable Living, and Social Justice, Equity and Diversity. To complete the diploma, you'll study 2 core units and then choose 2 specialisations in your area of interest. You'll need to select 3 units under each of your specialisations. A full list of specialisation units are available in your EStudent when you enrol, or in our course and unit handbook, which we'll take a look at later in this video. In order to complete the diploma, you will have studied a total of 8 units. Let's take a look at how we access your eStudent from the UTAS homepage. Click the Login button at the top of this page and choose your student portal. From the student portal home screen, click on the red eStudent tile. Choose your Diploma of Sustainable Living course from the My Study tile in your eStudent. The Manage My Course screen is where you manage your enrolment. Before enrolling, you'll need to complete a HEX Help or Commonwealth Assistance form. If you've been offered a Commonwealth supported place, you'll need to complete this Commonwealth Assistance or HEX Help form. Completing this form serves 2 purposes. Firstly, to register your place in a Commonwealth supported course, and to nominate whether you would like to defer your fees with a HEX Help loan or pay them upfront before the census date of your study period. You only need to complete 1 HEX Help form for your course. This will be valid for the duration of your course and any units you complete while undertaking that course. A tax file number is required if you wish to defer your fees. Let's take a look at where to find your ECAF. Click on the Government Assistance link to the left of your study plan. This area will list any previous HEX Help forms you have completed. Press the Add button to access and complete a HEX Help form. Much of the information in this form is already pre-populated from your student record. Once you've completed your HEX Help form, return to your study planner. Your study plan will already have the 2 core units in your structure, and we strongly recommend that if you wish to complete the diploma, you study the unit HEJ 111 Communicating Sustainability as one of your first 4 units of study. The completion of this unit and 3 specialisation units is required before attempting the second core unit, KGA 107. Consider checking out the course rules and unit guide to help you plan and select your units. This is the area where you will choose your 2 specialisations. Press the Select button. Your choice of specialisations will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. Press the Add to Plan button to add a specialisation to your study plan. Remember, you'll need to choose 2 specialisations if you wish to complete the diploma. Click the OK button when the preview message appears. You'll notice that your chosen specialisation now appears on your plan, including an area below to choose the units for that specialisation. Click on Select to add a unit. The units associated with this specialisation will appear to the right of your study plan. Press the Add to Plan button again to add a unit to your specialisation. The unit now appears under your specialisation. You can continue by adding your second specialisation and units from here. The amber coloured icon next to the unit indicates that it is currently not yet enrolled. To schedule and enrol into your units, press the Plan and Enrol button at the top of the screen. This is the Plan and Enrol screen. where you schedule your units into a study period. The study period may be semester 1, semester 2, spring school, summer school, etc., depending upon when the unit is offered. To view the study periods associated with a unit, click on the blue Details link. To schedule a unit, click on the red Schedule button or drag and drop the unit into an existing study period. Your core units will also appear here as they are also on your study plan. It is important to press the Enrol button at the top of each study period to complete your enrolment. Click the My Study button to return to your study plan. Returning to your study plan, you should now have green icons next to the areas of your study plan where you have successfully enrolled. So, what's next? You may like to add your second specialisation or enrol in another unit from here. Once enrolled, you can check your fees by downloading an invoice to your UTAS webmail. If there's a scholarship or fee waiver being applied to your study, our fees team may apply this any time from when you enrol right through to census date of your enrolled unit. You can check your census date on our key dates page. Your unit content will appear in Milo or My Learning Online as the unit approaches its start date. Look out for this date at the bottom of the tile, similar to the UniStart unit shown here. Consider revisiting your student portal to access Milo and take a tour of this online learning system. As a new student, you'll also find links to the UniStart self-paced introduction module to orientate and familiarise yourself with university learning resources, study tools, and academic advice. If you'd like more information on how to enrol or have questions about anything you've seen in this video, you can make contact with us by calling 1300 363 864, emailing us at course.info@utas.edu.au, or go to our Ask Us page where there are many frequently asked questions and answers which you may find helpful. Thanks for listening and enjoy your experience in the Diploma of Sustainable Living at the University of Tasmania.